API testing looks simple, but testers faces real challenges. Outdated documentations, complex test data, environment issues, performance bottlenecks, and hours of manual works of testers and developers. But not now. Introducing AI powered API testing bot, the intelligent solution that transforms API testing from frustrating to effortless, makes it faster and smarter. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, notice our intuitive interface available in both sleek dark mode and clean light mode for your preferred testing environment. On the right, you will get a complete overview of your testing data. See exactly how many API groups you're working with and track all the calls in real time. To start with testing, we'll have to upload a testing file or JSON file to the bot. The bot will then parse the file and automatically generate a template based on its content. So we have uploaded a JSON file and we have to download the template. I clicked on the template and I opened it. So as you can see, the bot has successfully extracted all the endpoints, all the methods, description, and all the important data set that we had in our JSON. Of course, it has added another column called test value, which would be helpful for the tester while performing bulk testing. If need to test a specific endpoint or a specific group after development, our guided testing feature is perfect for new testers or targeted checks for a specific endpoints or groups. So once we selected test by groups, the bot will ask us to enter API group. I will quickly say I want to see the list of API groups and I will select one of them. I have selected a API group. I have to confirm it. Once I have confirmed, the bot will give me API endpoints related to the object API group. So I have to select one endpoint from here. Of course, it has small details or short details of each and every endpoint, what this endpoint is meant for. So I have selected get objects. Once I click on it, I will get list of parameters to fill in. So first parameter that I have to enter is I have to select some property names of the object I want to see the details of, right? So I have the parameter name. I will have to know if it is optional or required, so that would be highlighted here. I have a short description of each and every parameter so that developer or the tester will have or get an idea what he needs to enter here. If this is optional, user will have option to skip this parameter by pressing enter. So I don't want to skip it. I will give a property name called as name. I want to get name of the object. I will click enter. Now it is asking me for a type ID, and this is a required field that user must have to enter. So I will say I need a WT document. I will copy and paste it. Now I will get another parameter to enter, which is filter. It has given a short description of it and an example to understand how we have to enter our filter there. So I'll just quickly get the filter from my data and I paste it here. For navigation criteria, it's optional. I don't have data for this, so I will just skip it by pressing enter. Once all the parameters are gathered, the bot will review our inputs, like all of the parameter values. And now it will ask us to call the API. Once we click on yes, it will within seconds it will generate the result. It has given us a raw response and as well as the summary of the result. So this can be customized as per the client's or the business needs. On the right hand side, now you can see we have 10 endpoints, 6 groups, and one API call that we have made. So this is the testing feature available for specific endpoints of the group. Now we can of course go back and forth. If I want to choose another endpoint from the same group, or I want to choose another group altogether, I can do that as well. If want to test everything at once, okay, so we have another option or a feature, that is perform bulk API testing. This feature has covered you to test everything at once. Just fill a simple template with your endpoints and the test values, upload it to the bot, and watch as it intelligently runs through all your endpoints automatically and give you the results. So I have chosen a perform bulk API testing. It is asking me to upload my bulk data file to proceed. I will click on choose file. I have already prepared a sheet with the test data which we have downloaded from the chatbot itself. I have just filled the data there. So just see, of course. So it has generated and downloaded a file with the results within some seconds. That was so quick. So that has been downloaded. Let's check the file. We'll open the file and look at it. It has extracted all the API paths, the methods, the operation that it has performed or executed, the status code, the test result, whether it's passed or failed, and the full URL for more comprehensive results and for more analytics to do. So from the status code, we have understood um, 6 of the endpoints are successfully tested and they have passed, and one has failed, which we can check using this link. I will just quickly copy that link and paste it here, and it will give me a comprehensive, or it will tell like what has happened wrong. So this is it. We'll check some past results here. So these results would help testers to understand the data, whether to double check whether it has tested correctly or not. I will choose another one. Yes, so we have received the results in the JSON or a raw JSON, where we can change its look as well for better readability. So that's it. So if you have any use cases for API testing, we'll help you out with our AI powered API testing bot. So with this bot, the testing isn't just faster, it's smarter, reliable, and effortless. So if you have any use cases for your API testing, call us today. Thank you. Bye.